Alright, you ready? Alright, I'm going to stop the chocolate. Like that, give it a shake. Shake. That's it. And I'm going to scrape it.
Wow.
Clean the sides.
Welcome to the Oliver and Lucas Kid Show, where you'll find educational videos for kids. Today, we're at Cocoa Rouge to make some delicious chocolate. Yay! Now we're in the kitchen to make some chocolate with the chocolatier. Sarah!
Hi Lucas. How are you guys?
Good.
Yeah, you ready to make some chocolates?
Yeah.
Awesome, let's go. We have some beautiful little froggy molds here, and what I want is for you guys to paint them. Do you think you could do that?
Yeah, I like painting.
Yeah. Now what I have is some cool green paint, 2 paintbrushes, and give the paint a really good mix.
Is this really paint?
It is actually not, it's chocolate. Now,
Now we paint.
use as much as you like.
This is hard.
It is a bit hard, isn't it? It takes a lot of time too. Now that looks great, guys. You've done a fantastic job. I think it's time to fill it with chocolate. What do you think?
Yeah.
Carry it for me? Yeah? Alright, so what we have here is a chocolate tampering machine. So that is what actually tampers the chocolate and then brings it back together in the crystal. So that's what makes your chocolate really shiny and beautiful.
Chocolate is made out of cocoa beans, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder. Tempering chocolate is an important step for making chocolate smooth, silky, and shiny. I just want to eat that.
You just want to eat it, that's good, isn't it?
I
Keep it
can
going
see
round
it.
and round.
Smells like cocoa.
Yeah.
It's getting all the way up through here. I can literally going down and then it's going back up.
Yeah, so it has a grate in there and then it sucks the chocolate down, brings it up through here, back down here. Just goes round and round.
It takes for a long time.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
So we have a foot pedal here that stops the chocolate.
Why do you need to stop the chocolate?
I'll show you. Alright, so when you put the chocolate, the mold in, you have it facing towards you.
Yeah.
So what you do is you put your foot on the pedal, release it, let the chocolate flow into the mold,
And that can I flat it?
scrape it off the top,
Oh, I'm so comfortable.
scrape it off the sides.
I want to eat it all. Would it be big kid? Wait. Oh yeah, maybe you could.
Alright, then
Oh, there's something missing there.
this table actually vibrates, so you put it onto the table. It vibrates the chocolate and it gets all the little air bubbles out. Alright, so you come closer. Alright, you ready? Alright, I'm going to stop the chocolate. Like that, give it a shake. Shake. And I'm going to scrape it. Clean the sides. 12 degrees, 12 and a half,
What's that?
to set the chocolate.
Lucas is enjoying putting the brakes on the tempering machine and watching all the yummy melted chocolate fall in.
Mussels. You'll have to take that one. Now you're going to fill the molds. This is a peppermint filling.
So I need to fill the whole thing. Peppermint filling and squeeze on some more peppermint. I'm gonna eat some chocolate.
Beautiful. Ready? Another one.
That's fun.
Now you've filled them, you have to put the top on. So we have to go back over to the chocolate tampering machine. Yeah. You remember how to use it? Yeah.
Press it.
Press it. Release it.
Release.
Press.
Ooh, and lots of chocolate on it.
Lots of chocolate.
So we just mix it with our hands.
Set it there.
Open the fridge and put it in.
Set.
It's a hard.
Yeah, they're hard. Alright.
Eat it?
Yeah.
Yay. Look at it. Is it okay?
Now you can't put your fingers into the chocolate ribbon, alright? Now this is called an enrober. And what it does is you put stuff here on the conveyor belt and it goes through the chocolate ribbon, comes out the other side, and it's all coated in chocolate. And then on this end you can decorate it with whatever you want. Okay, do you think you can handle this?
Yeah.
Yep. So maybe we'll start with the cookies because they're nice and easy. If you want to put some cookies onto the conveyor belt here. Alright.
And
Push this button here.
you're supposed to spin it. Ooh, let's see what's gonna happen.
It's going to happen.
Cookie cup. That's the gum. How did you make this so quickly? And
Push the button.
Ready? Oh, keep This enrober is the machine chocolatiers use to coat food with chocolate.
We'll bring them over here. Alright. Line him up on here. Now you have sprinkles and some little caramel balls and chocolate balls. You guys can put on there whatever you like, however many you like.
Made a smiley face. Like, this is way too much sprinkles. I think you don't need to put any more. Mom, make a lot like a rainbow cookie.
Yeah, I'm making a rainbow cookie too. But not that much sprinkles. Every single dot.
I want to be like a rainbow. And I'll turn into a rainbow.
Soon? When?
Later.
Okay, enough? Enough sprinkles. It's all enough.
Oh.
I'll just put one more bulb on yours.
So this is sparkles.
Ooh,
So,
sparkles.
yes,
Okay.
give it a tap.
Now can you put the gummy snake on it? Decorate the snake! Decorate the snake!
Wait, just don't decorate the snake because I want it plain. Just like, I'll eat the snake actually. This is my snake. No one decorate this. Thank you for having us, Sarah.
Oh, it was a pleasure having Oliver and Lucas show at Cocoa Rouge.